People are always talking about in their videos about this V2 F-35. How fast is it going to be versus the first version? You know, this one's going to be faster because it's got speed holes. Nice patch. Get your structural integrity back. So I can't find the nose cone, so we're gonna make one. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it, but I have to because I'm looking right at it. The real nose cone for this plane. Jet aircraft. Oh no. It's a gaping hole there. People are always talking about in their videos about this V2 F-35. How fast is it going to be versus the first version? Well, maybe they were 3 years ago when it first came out, but you know, this one's going to be faster because it's got speed holes in it, you know? So I bet you theirs don't have clamp marks from where their wing broke, you know? Just gives it character. And then little damage over here, you know? It's just, you know, cost of doing business, flying and, you know, not knowing how to fly. So when you're fixing these and you got stuff gluing, you can hold it there with a little piece of tape, and then you can bolster up, and then you can bolster up the other side with a little more tape. This most certainly didn't fall on the ground because I was trying to bend part of the landing gear and need to be taped. That's for sure. It just bent by natural causes. So in about an hour, that'll be as good as new. And you also got some of these parts here that to say they're a little, there might be a mite missing. I don't think you should be able to see the ceiling through that hole there, but I think that just makes it faster. So because of the laws of aerodynamics or thermodynamics, I can't remember which one right now, not important, we're gonna have to cover this up. So let's see, we're gonna get a nice patch right there. Yep. We're gonna cut off the excess. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. So I just wanna make sure that we're good to fly. Oh. Come on now. Work with me here. Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to tape on the inside of that too, I think. Let's see here. All right. Sorry, I couldn't show you my expert way of putting tape on the inside there. My camera guy called out. Fucking kids these days don't want to work. Got that on there nice and good. Okay, cool. So what you can do, guys, is tear your tape. Because if you got one of these pesky things right here that's opening, but it's on one of those, it's right at the edge, what you can do, see, you tear your tape. You can get the tape right on the edge with that tear and get your structural integrity back with the tape being firmly applied to the fuselage. That's how everybody says it online. And then you can tape right there. With that little piece is fixed. But now the tape can firmly go around because of that little relief tear in there. See that? Now we're gonna do another one from the inside. Oh, let me get the weeds out of there from when I crashed it last time. Okay, so once again, no camera guy, he called out sick, son of a bitch. I don't think he's really sick. Hold on. And there we go. One last piece of structural integrity tape here. Smart guy once told me, if it works, is it really a bad idea? Oh, we need some more structural tape right there. Hold that together, hold on. Contrary to popular belief, it is allowed to put structural tape on the inside of your aircraft. Oh no. On the inside of your aircraft. It's falling off the table here. As long as it is structurally holding together the aircraft, it's perfectly legal. Or so they tell me. And if you're wondering who they are, I don't know, Google it. I can't have all the answers for you. It's got some of them. I can just teach you how to get your planes back into the air. If you want all that fancy book learning, you're going to have to Google that. That's, you know, you have to do some of the work, I think. It's a fair way to put it. Okay. Let's see if I can find the nose. So I can't find the nose cone, so we're gonna make one, a scale, replica, accurate, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna make one. But I can't show you exactly. I'll show you step by step. You know, camera guy called out, son of a bitch, whatever. Okay. So we got our front focal point. We're just gonna fill in until we get that full where we want it. Get your swear jars out, gentlemen. This thing's gonna be a piece of art, a work of art, a thing of beauty when I'm done with it. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it, but I have to because I'm looking right at it. That is perfect. Oh my God. Let me get that looking a little better. I'll get back to you. As you can see, this is a well-ventilated space. I am a professional. Do not do what I do at any cost. Oh, that matches almost perfect too. Look at that. You're not even gonna know that that's not the real nose cone for this plane. Jet, aircraft, whatever the AMA wants me to say. Let's see. Yep, we're gonna not miss that spot there. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's looking like a real fighter jet again. Figure I should get you in here too for this part. Let's see. We don't want to get spray paint in there. So it's the best thing to cover the canopy hole, but the canopy, plus it'll help us blend in our colors there. Patch right there. Let's see. Learned that spray paint pattern from a pretty smart guy, feller, if you will. All right. Let's lift this bad boy up so we can get into the. It's not model airfield approved unless the insides are painted too. Ooh. See if I can't get you focused in on there. That damn camera guy. Gonna have to find somebody else. Let's see. Okay, we're painting left-handed now. Oh. I've never painted by camera before. Seems to be working out okay. Get that part right there. Yep. Don't want any of that tape showing. Don't want to do a half-assed job or anything. Oh no. It's a gaping hole there. Be right back. You remember that gaping hole I was talking about on the side here? It turns out it was just a shadow. It wasn't a gaping hole. All is right with the world. We don't need Lockheed on here anymore. It's an Arton now. Yep. There we go. Let's see if we can get some more of that off there. It's an Artan right on there. Beautiful. Well, I don't know. What do you guys say? I'd say that's a pretty productive day in jet repair. We'll make this part 1 of this repair series. I didn't film the fixing of the landing gear. That one back there looks a little bent. We're just gonna ignore that. But we're not done with this one. This bird's gonna be in the air pretty soon. Probably in the next 24 hours, 48 hours or so. Check back then.